Hi there, sisters and brothers, daughters and sons, elderly people, and the promising youth of the entire planet Earth. This person is servant of everyone. I love everyone. And today is 1st January 2021. I want to send a message to you that let this year be happy, and all your remaining hundreds of years should be very, very happy and prosperous. But my wishes will not make the world a happy place. Because we are what we think. All that we are arises with our thought. With our thought, we make the world. But where is happiness? You will see the people who are holding the supreme power, prime minister, presidents, dictators. All these people are having greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts. They hate. They want to conquer the world. They want to ruin others. They want to send terrorists to the different neighboring countries. They want to grab and capture everybody's territory. They want to spread coronavirus all over the world. They are busy with creating weapons of mass destruction. Nuclear weapons, biological weapons, different modes of destructions and ruining and killing every human being on earth. That thought can make really you happy. These wishes can really make you happy, my friends? Impossible. Happy can make once we really learn the truth. That is peace, love, non-violence, affection, kindness, compassion for everyone. That is really wishes. And one man cannot make that. There were Gautama Siddhartha Buddha, he preached this world this. There were Jesus, who also told similar theories. And so many wise men, prophets, thinkers, writers, try to really educate the illiterate masses who are engaged in all these kind of greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts. World is burning. Hatred, greed, everywhere you will find. That's why Charlie Chaplin made a wonderful movie, The Great Dictator. And what he said? Do you remember? He said, greed has poisoned man's soul. Greed has poisoned man's soul. Has barricaded the world with hate. Has goose stepped in misery and bloodshed. Our knowledge has made us cynical. Our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much selfishly, but we feel very less. There is kindness, compassion, love and affection, helping and sharing. More than all these machinery and development, we want more kindness, compassion, humanity. More than cleverness, we want kindness, compassion, sympathy, love and affection. We have developed a speed, but we have shut ourselves in. Machinery that give us abundance has left us in want. Our great dreamers have given us so many good things on earth. That shows the very good nature of the mankind. But how many are like that? The majority are greedy, angry, selfish people. I appeal to all of you. Your mind is neither selfish nor generous. It is your thought. As long as you saturate your mind with negative mental attitude, world will be burning. There will be destruction. There will be corona pandemic and so many other destructive things. So if you really want to be happy and you want to make everyone happy, you think loving, caring, sharing. And that is only possible once you realize the true nature of life. You should understand what is knowledge. Ignorant, indolent, thoughtless, ignoble, bestial people. Shame! You will find that the prime ministers and the presidents, they are holding the biggest posts of power, but these fools are lying and cheats. Xi Jinping of China, the great cheat, the great evil and devil on earth. Even Donald Trump you will find, the supreme commander of the richest nation on earth. What impression you have about him? And so many other countries, Imran Khan of Pakistan. I don't want to waste time in naming such fools. But they are really the demon. They are really the destructive power of personality. Always trying to ruin everyone. This is one aspect of it. But what about the innocent creatures, birds, fish, animal, plants? As they have no weapons, we kill them, we massacre them, there is nobody to help them. And those people who believe in Bhagwan, God, Allah, is it the nature of that supreme Lord to kill innocent and helpless? I want kingdom of God for everyone. Birds, beasts, animal, plants and humans. And that is only possible once you learn to love. Unless you learn to love, you will hate. You will destroy the earth. And you bloody fool will not be spared. Because once you burn the earth, you will burn first in that fire. I love you. I'm a very kind and compassionate person. But what I think that is confined to me, you have to also think. And let everyone think. Let this wisdom spread all over the world. That is my happy New Year wish. World peace, happiness and joy and prosperity, health, wealth, peace, prosperity, mental, physical, spiritual, emotional, for birds, beasts, animal, plants and humans, for earth, Mother Earth. Thank you.